Hello friends, so we are going to start uh, part 3 of PostgreSQL basic walkthrough. So in this section we will do some practice on triggers and tables. So let us get started. So we are using same, I think we don't need it from the command line if we're doing, let me go through the, well, we can do through we can go through shell. Okay, so so we will have to connect to sample database. C connect sample. We are good with sample. Okay, so let us create a table first. I will do it like really quick because if there is any discussion required, then I will just let you know guys a little bit. But because as I said, this is something that because I'm copying from when I copy from I will put the command in here first. I think what we can do better to do, okay, once I do all the copies together, then I will start running one by one, and then what we can do is we can do the global replace just in case of we have bad characters coming up. So then we can yeah, definitely then we can do some global replace, right? So then yeah, we can do that. So that will help us a little bit. I will copy all of them together, and then I will do the operation together, right? So paste. So this one is and then we have another one, copy and paste. Then let us do next one. I am copying the last, no, not the last one. I am copying one and third test, trigger test insert, right? So yeah, okay, same thing. Okay, then yeah, so there are a couple of statements after that. Simple. These ones don't have much delimiters, right? And then I will go for next statement. Actually I haven't put it in one file this time. I might have somewhere, but you know what, if see the one here, this one is not acceptable anyway. Fine, we will do a global replace, it will fix everything, right? So that's why I'm putting them together, right? So yeah, and then from this one we have another search, and it will be real quick, no, not too much time, right? So because we kept most of the things we kept like simple. I don't want any video to be boring, very lengthy for the people who are just a fresher, I want you guys to be encouraged to learn the things, right? So then I think this one, and okay, well, prompt with job that insert here. Then we have select, two of the selects, right? One select should fail, another select should find one row, right? So okay, so all those commands have been ported to Crimson. I don't think anything left. Okay, so I will roll back the document where I started. I have run only one thing yet. I had created only oh no, nothing yet. I have to create even table. Table is not even created yet, right? So see this one here. So what we need to do is, oh, there is a lot of things. Oh, how come these ones are good? This is surprising. Sometimes these are coming like good, sometimes they are translated, right? So anyway, the bad ones are like this one when they are italicized a little bit, right? So I would say global replace with the correct one, right? So replace all. So only 3 replaced, right? Then the other one that is going this way, global replace to same thing, right? 7 replaced, right? Now total 10. So these are all done. So first of all, let us create a table. Copy paste. The table is now created. Table created. Good. Then I will add primary to this table, right? So primary key, paste, alter table and add primary key constraint, right? So yeah, that works fine. And then let me global replace to null this one, because this is prompt from PL/SQL. So I will global replace to nothing, right? And then it will go away. Okay. So let me do this one. Oh, actually I have to, yeah, straighten up the lines, right? Four. Okay. What is 64 then? Oh no, that is fine. Why single quotation then? Okay, let me check. I am entering data type, tang, and then phone number, and then other phone number, and then what is then next? Then it should be like this way. But what is this? Oh, this is for a quotation close, single quotation. That's fine. So from here to straighten up, from here to straighten up, from here also straighten up, and I would say I will start from there. I haven't entered, only I have done the primary key, and then after now one entry yet. So one entry. Now I will go for next entry. So next entry paste. I will try to remember semicolon at the end, and then next one. We have semicolon already at the end. Paste semicolon. This one is good. So these are only 4 rows, right? After 4 rows, we have more, right? Okay, so we have a paste now, semicolon, and this will go error out because the duplicate key, right? So this will not go in. So next time, you remember we have done this one with the tampering with the last name, removing a from there, and then it should go in. So paste. See, it got inserted, right? Now we will check all the, not all. Okay, so we have, when we have entered all the data, then we are selecting some columns of the whole data set, right? Paste. So you see couple of columns, not all of them, right? So these are good. And then insert. Okay, then we have to look for David. I think we will be looking in the wrong column first. This is the statement, right? It will not. Oh, we got it 1. So it is not in wrong column. It is only the only thing, the way how we actually query the data from the table. This is another example that we will query the data from the table. That this time we are using upper function, right? This also works fine. Then there is one data that we are entering when we promise somebody for the help with the job. This is what it is, right? We entered that one, and then we will check promised in the wrong column first. Then it will not give us something desired. It won't give anything, right? So the last query, the one that we have correct one from the correct column, and we can find the David name, right? See now David Walker, we have found it, but David Walker is having lower W in their last name. First character of the last name is lowercase. So if this is the way it is, right? So in this tutorial we have seen some of the functions that we are doing for retrieving data, and the trigger that already worked fine. Data entered and data has gone into the transaction table in the previous one, right? So in this tutorial we have seen some of the things, right? So in case of I do not think that we have updated the column, first letter of the column, and I think that update will go in fourth tutorial, fourth walkthrough. So this one is really quick because there was no error, no issues. So everything went fine, and we have done some work like smart way, because put it together in one file, and then we have replaced all the bad characters to make them correct one. So this worked fine, and I appreciate your company. So now you can like, subscribe, or comment the way you want it. But if you give us some feedback, then it will help us to help you better. Thank you very much. Have a nice